Ito yung pinakamalaking aquarium. Parang sa Dubai. Laki. Sir. Laki ng aquarium. Nako, stingray. I know, so big.
That's Corente.
Barracuda.
That's Corente.
Not the biggest is coming. There, oh.
There's the white shark, oh. Knock, you know, hammerhead.
Pagod yung matatanda.
Wala ba na sila mga octopus?
How about they will cook them?
No. Ito po ay lapu-lapu.
Lato-lato?
Lapu-lapu.
That's Papay. Papay Talusa.
Papay? In the trees?
Look at that.
I didn't see that before.
Pero,
And there's more on that. Let's go to the other side. I saw something. A girl.
That's not shark.
Let's catfish.
Malaki.
Laki oh.
Wait, they're sucking. Where's
Janitor fish.
Oh, I saw that treasure chest. I saw that treasure chest. There.
Where?
There.
Ooh.
I want to dive and steal that treasure chest.
You want to dive with
How about this
the shark?
How about this Didn't saw it yet.
Ingay mo.
Wait, this guy.
So yun na, that's it for today. May taas pa pala. Let's go upstairs. Under the sea.
Back to land.
Yun na pala yun. Back to land. Meron lang maingay na mga bata pero wow, ilaw-ilaw lang pala. X-ray ng mga isda.
Ultrasound.
Ultrasound.
Dolphin, yeah.
Kaharian ng Encantadia. Ay nako, blue whale to. Octonauts.
Octonauts? Alien! Wait, where's that sea urchin? That's nothing.
Yun na talagang exit. True na, true. Singapore is?
Singapore is the best one.
It's the best. So yun na yung Sea Aquarium na experience namin dito sa Singapore.
Sucks lang.
Saks lang, kalma lang. Kagaya lang ng Ocean Park.
Well,
That's
sa price, mas marami magawa sa
Ay, oo, mas marami. Madami activity pa. So ayun lang guys. Boy! Kakain na kasi kami kaya bye-bye na. Bye!
Ano ba rito? O outside?